Hello guys, welcome to this video on Awair Element unboxing. I'm recording this video on the 2nd of December 2021. I ordered my Awair Element 1.5 months ago, so it arrived today. But if you order now, you might need to wait for about like 3 months of time in order to receive yours because of the high demand at the moment. So let's open this and see what's inside. So I'm holding the camera on my right hand, so it's a bit difficult for me to use my left hand only just to open the box. So let's see what's inside. Nothing fancy yet, the regular cardboard box. Let's open and see. Okay, so this is the Awair Element. It's a small plastic unit. So you can see a USB-C port in the back, and there's one kind of a touch switch, and that's all. So let's see what else is in the box. The regular power adapter for US 2 pins, and a power cord which connects here. It's a USB port. So regular USB port, USB C on one end. There's an instruction manual here. Let's take it out and see what's in there. So it's a quick start guide, so you can read these instructions on how to set up your Awair Element. In the next video, I will show you how to set up this Awair Element and how to link it to your Algorand wallet. Thereby you will be receiving PlanetWatch tokens on daily basis for all the weather data you are streaming through this device. So let's go to these pages and see what's in there. So all the basic information. So before we proceed, make sure that you buy the Type 4 license from the PlanetWatch website in order to set this up, and you might need to have some Algorand coins in your Coinbase or Binance account, as we need to transfer some algos to this wallet as well. See you in the next video.